Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam, and today in this short video I'm going to explain and demonstrate how to use online software designed by Professor Awais Shah Sahib of GPGC number 1 Abbottabad. Actually, it's not a planned video. I often see queries in the group, that is quality assurance group. So I thought that initially it was my plan that I would take time out and I would record a very comprehensive and beautiful video on how to use this online software. But unluckily I have not been able so far to put aside time for this. So today I just decided that I should not further delay it, and without any preparation I'm going to record this video. Okay, first of all, in order to use that software, you need to go to your own account. Let me show you, that is Google. So you need to log in as Google. As you can see to the right of this screen that I'm already logged in with my Gmail account. So you must be having Gmail account and you should be logged in. After this you need to okay, now if you want to use the software designed by Awais Shah Sahib, so you need to go to GPGC number 1 Abbottabad website. So how you can access it? You can type here GPGC number 1 Abbottabad, okay, official website. So as you can see here, official website, click here and then scroll down, and let me show you. As you can see somewhere here is the quality assurance software, so this one. So click on it, and after a while you will find yourself on the website. Now let me scroll down. As you can see here, teacher evaluation and course evaluation. So you can click here, make a copy. Okay, make a copy. So now make a copy, click again. So as you can see, it is taking a little bit time. Now here you can rename it. Okay, let's say I'm going to redesign it for my own college. Let's say BS English first semester, okay, GDC Pavilion. So you need to copy it from here, and then you can click here, okay, and paste it here. Here you can even amend this statement. Please submit feedback regarding your teacher. If you don't want to change it, let it like this. Otherwise you can type here introduction like Assalamu alaikum, this is this. Okay, just in order to save time, because video may get a bit longer. So here semester, as you can see, option number 1. Okay, let me recreate it, for example. So after let's say option, okay, here you can give option like semester. Let's say if it is for first semester students, so you can select drop down menu like this, and semester name can be put here like BS English first semester. Okay, now you can go to the next teacher name. So here you can you can name all the teachers. Okay, let's say multiple choice, already selected. Let's say teacher A, okay, teacher B, like so on. You can go on and you can mention all the teachers. Like see, you can name teacher, and if a teacher is teaching 2 subjects, you can mention it in the bracket as well. Okay, teacher D and teacher E. Usually 6 teachers teach a class. Okay, after this, here is the form. Okay, now it is ready. Now if you want to, let's say, view it, you can preview it. Okay, otherwise you don't need to preview it. Now it is ready. Now send. Here, click here. Okay, and it will give you a shortened version of URL. Now copy it, and this link should be sent to your students through WhatsApp, or you can, as you can see here, you can even send it through text message. It's not a lengthy URL, and students will record their responses and they will send it to you. Now how you will see them back? So let me take you back to Google general purpose search engine here. So when the link has been shared with students, so now you can go to Google Drive. This is Google Drive. Okay, and when you click here, so automatically the form you created will be, as you can see here, BS English first semester GTC Hurriedly. This is the form. Okay, so it will be here, and you can click on it. Otherwise, let me show you some form which I have already created. Okay, and I am just going to let me show you those forms. So I'm going to show you a form created for my own classes. So here's a form, teacher evaluation BS English 4th. So you can see responses. There are 147 responses. Okay, so when you send the form to your students, they complete it and submit back to you. Okay, now as you can see, accepting responses. So I'm going to click here, view response in sheets. Okay, so an Excel sheet will appear in front of you, as you can see here on the screen. Now click on file. Okay, click on download and then Microsoft Excel. So it will be downloaded here. If you are using Google Chrome, it will be downloaded in the left corner. Now go to show in folder, and here this is the response sheet, copy, and now I'm going to place it on desktop, let's say here. So I'm gonna rename it, let's say teacher evaluation, let's say semester 4 BS English. Okay, now it is renamed. Now you can even edit this sheet, because these are the responses, different teachers, as you can see. So if you want to check whether all the students have responded, so you can even adjust it here. Anyhow, right now I'm not going to amend it, and just going to show you how to do it. Now I'm getting back to Google Drive. Okay, so here is your Google Drive. Let me take you to Google. So let me take you to Google. Okay, and after downloading Excel sheet from your Google Drive, you are back to Google. As you can see, I have added GPGC number 1 address, a URL at the top as a favorite folder here, so I can directly access this college from this. Otherwise you need to go back to GPGC number 1. Okay, GPGC number 1 after bar. Okay, now click here, and now you are going to analyze the data. Okay, QEC software, and as you click on it, so now you are going to analyze the data. Hope you have already got the idea. First you made a copy. Okay, then you enter your college name and semester name, etc. Then you just copied URL and sent it to your students, either through WhatsApp or maybe text message, or you shared the URL on whiteboard in the classroom. students in their own time, sitting at home or depending upon the availability of net, they completed 6 forms because there were 6 teachers and they submitted. Now data analysis. So you are going to do data analysis. Now college name, let's say you have to mention your college name here. Okay, semester, let's say we have 4th semester. It is spring, let's say spring 2020, department English, and quality member Rustam. Okay, now choose file. So you are going to attach the Excel sheet. Okay, so Excel sheet was placed on desktop, and as you can see here, teacher evaluation semester 4. So it is lying on my desktop. So I'm going to click on open. Now it has been attached. As soon as I click on create analysis report, it will be generated. But there will be some problem. As you can see here, Professor Imran Sahab has been evaluated by 31 teachers, Rustam 27, Professor Amraj 28, Professor Zai 24, and Wazir Sahib from 25. It means some of the students filled up forms many times. Anyhow, there are 23 students in this class. The form should have been 23. However, there are various forms, but it doesn't affect results. As you can see, some total score and total percentage. Teacher number 1 has got 92%, teacher number 2 has got 96%, teacher number 3 has got 74%, teacher number 4 has got 77%, and teacher number 5 has got 85%. So you can print it out and you can send it to quality assurance headquarters. Okay, and now this sheet is for semester 4. The whole class comprising 23 students has evaluated 6 teachers, and these are 6 parameters, 13 parameters, and here is another summary. As you can see, the percentage given here, 92, 96, etc. We can print graph as well, but we don't need to print a graph because Imran Barwa Sahib requires us to send this sheet to them. One column is missing here, like total score and average score. But I think if we have this total score and total percentage of the teacher, it reflects the tendency. Okay, like here we can see the teacher is prepared for each class. So this teacher has got 151 total, and average is 4.87. It means students strongly agree to this statement. Okay, my own score is 4.93. It means that as far as this parameter is concerned, the teacher is prepared for each class. So 23 students say that yes, these 2 teachers are prepared for their class. So 4.93 and 4.87, it shows strongly agreed. So this is item analysis, and this is total score, and this is percentage analysis. So this software is a very good software. And now if you want to have a printout, so you can go to the right corner, top corner, there are 3 buttons, and click on print. So here is a virtual computer, Qt PDF writer, but if you have a physical computer attached, as you can see here, Hewlett Packard HP LaserJet printer, so physically it will be printed for you. Now I'm going to print it as a PDF file, save as PDF. So the same report is going to be saved as PDF. Okay, so let me save it on desktop. Analysis teacher. Okay, the name is analysis teacher. So here, as you can see, it has been saved. Analysis teacher. Here is a PDF file. So this way we have, let's say this is a report for my college, and semester 4 students have evaluated their 6 teachers. So this software is quite easy to handle. The only thing is that different forms, like 31 form, 27 forms, so some students have submitted a form twice or thrice, maybe more than 6 times, but it doesn't affect the data analysis. So this was how this software works. If I had time, I could have recorded a very comprehensive video, but I just quickly recorded this video. So I just wanted to apprise some of the focal persons that if you want to use this software, this is how they can do it. Thank you very much.